In today's lesson, we want to study the standard form and answer those 3 questions. So it is going to be a tutorial. Before we get into answering those questions, regai titange tamboita a quick revision of the standard form. So we learned in the standard form the standard form is expressing a number as a times 10 to the power n. But it is important to take note that a unoyu is actually a number between 1 and 10. So tinogona kuinyora takati a number between 1 and 10. Kana kuti in set notation tinogona kuinyora takati a is a number between 1 and 10. So this is actually more precise because iri kutiudza kuti a is greater than or equal to 1 but at the same time less than 10. In set notation again tinogona kunyora takadai so 1 10. Saka this square bracket inoreva kuti 1 is included, but this round bracket inoreva kuti 10 is not included. It becomes more easier kana tikazviisa on a number line. So we have 1 and 10. So on this number line, we are going to have a solid circle pamusoro pa 1, but a hollow circle pamusoro pa 10. Meaning kuti 1 is included, but 10 is not included. So that is a for us. A anofanirwa kuva number iri pakati pa 1 na 10. Now when we look at n is just going to be a positive or a negative whole number. That's how we define n. It's a positive or a negative power. So let us now get to our questions, having done this quick revision of the standard form. A. Express the following numbers as decimal fractions. Saka panapa takapiwa 9 times 10 to the power minus 4, like that. So I'm going to demonstrate 2 methods. And this is going to be method number 1, which also happens to be the method I promote. Saka 9 times 10 to the power minus 4 is equal to 9 times 1 over 10 to the power 4. This is coming from the law of indice, and this law of indice inoti if we have x to the power minus n, it's actually equal to 1 over x to the power n, like that. Saka 9 times 10 to the power minus 4, this part here against 10 to the power minus 4 can be written as 1 over 10 to the power 4. Tenyora yakadaro, it becomes apparently easier because tinenge tagodai so 9 times 1 over 10 to the power 4 inoreva 1 nema 04, like that. So it's 9 times 1 over 10,000, which becomes easier because we know kuti kana multiply my fractions tinoti numerator times numerator over denominator times denominator. Saka panapa we can make 9 a fraction by just saying over 1. Tinenge tisina zvatachinja. 9 times 1 ndi 9 over 1 times 10,000 ndi 10,000. So this is now 9 over 10,000. We can now do the division. We can say 10,000 into 9. Saka tinoti 10,000 into 10,000 ndi 1. 10,000 into 9 ndi 0, comma. Saka patinoisa 0 toti comma, tinobva tatoisa a placeholder panapa. Toti 10,000 into 90 ndi 0, tichisa another placeholder. 10,000 into 900 ndi 0, tichisa another placeholder. 10,000 into 9,000 ndi 0, tichisa another placeholder. 10,000 into 90,000 ndi 9. kureva kuti as a decimal fraction our answer is going to be 0,0009. Saka pari kunzi decimal fraction, it shouldn't actually confuse you because we just have to express our answer as a decimal like this. Saka tikadai so tinenge tatopedza. 9 times 10 to the power minus 4 is equal to 0,0009, like that. So this is how the first question is done. Let us go to B. Now takatarisa B yatapiwa, tanzi tiexpresse 9,4 times 10 to the power minus 4. Using this law of indices, this is going to be equal to 9,4 times 1 over 10 to the power 4. The 9,4 times 1 over 10 to the power 4, theta kunyora is 9,4 times 1 over 10,000, like that. Then to multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator, this is equal to 9,4 over 10,000, like this. Then kana takuda kuisolva iyi tichaita sei? Tichati 10,000 into 10,000 ndi 1, 10,000 into 9 ndi 0, what are we going to carry? 9. This is very important. 10,000 into 10,000 ndi 1, that's quite obvious. Ndokuzoti 10,000 into 9 tinowana 0, then what is going to be the remainder? The remainder ndi 9. So that tinenge takuti 10,000 into 94 ndi 0, then patoisa 0 iyi tichitoisa placeholder. 10,000 into 940 ndi 0, toisa another placeholder. 10,000 into 9,400, 0, another placeholder. 10,000 into 94,000 ndi 9, and 10,000. Then patoisa 9 inoi, don't forget, toisa another placeholder. 10,000 into 40,000 ndi 4. Kureva kuti our answer here is 0,00094, like that. Saka tikadai so tinenge tatopedza. Pakudivide apo ndo panowanzokonesa vanhu moto, but I trust kuti muri kunzwisisa. 10,000 into 10,001, 10,000 into 9, 0, then we carry 9, so that it becomes 10,000 into 94. Then we keep on doing the process until tasara tisisina chekudivide 10,000 into. So this is how B is done. Let us go to C. Now looking at C iri kuda kuti ishande nani 5,3 times 10 to the power minus 7. This obviously is going to be equal to 5,3 times 1 over 10 to the power 7. So panapa inova 5,3 times 1 over 10 million, because that's 1 in 07. So this then is equal to 5,3 times 1, that's 5,3 over 10 million. Saka panapa tichati 10 million into 10 million ndi 1. Toda kuita like the long form division. Saka 10 million into 10 million ndi 1. 10 million into 5, that's 0, 5 yacho yapa. 10 million into 53, that's 0. Toisachi 0 panapa as a placeholder. 10 million into 530, that is equal to 0. Saka ma 0 angu, let me use a different color for them. Saka 10 million into 530 ndi 0, toisachi placeholder panapa. 10 million into 5,300, 0, toisa placeholder. 10 million into 53,000, 0, toisa a placeholder. 10 million into 530,000, 0, toisa a placeholder. Then 10 million into 5,300,000 0 and toise placeholder tapanapa teta kuti 10 million into 53 million, it's actually 53. Saka our final answer panapa is equal to 0,000000053. That is going to be the answer we get. So as you can see panapa kuti it can become monotonous, it can become really dangerous to use this method of long division pakadai so nepamusana pekuti you are bound to make mistakes. So there's a method too which I want to do for C. Tichadzokera ku B tonoita zvakare tozopedzisira neku A tichiita. So to do this method I'm going to clear this part of the board patanga tanyora our short notes. So I hope kuti you have recorded it somewhere. Alright. Now what we are going to do is this. Let us start with C. C hands kudini. C hands 5,3 times 10 to the power minus 7. Kuti tinyore answer yedu panapa tichati this is equal to tova tanyora 5,3. But chiri kuitika apa ndechekuti tiri kumultiply 5,3 times 10 to the power minus 7. 7 yakakosha because 7 iri kutipa decimal places kana kuti patinofanirwa kufamba napo. How many places should the comma take? Ndogona kunge ndataura Greek, but what I mean is comma yedu inofanirwa kumove 7 places. Then my places acho we are going to use 0 as a placeholder kuti tikwanise kumanyora. But having done this now, it's also quite important kuti tizive the direction of the comma. Comma yedu ichamove ichienda kupi. So we have 5,3 yatiri kumultiply ne a negative power because tiri kumultiply 5,3 times 10 to the power minus 7. So kana tichimultiply 5,3 ne negative power, the direction of the comma is going to be this one. Like this. Mapaona. So kana iri negative power, comma yedu inenge ichimove yakatarisa ku left. Kana iri positive power, as we are going to see in our next tutorials, comma yedu inomove yakatarisa ku right. Saka taziva kuti comma yedu iri kumove yakatarisa kupi, we can use this argument yekuti 5,3 times 10 to the power minus 7, the number should become smaller since tiri kumultiply ne a negative power, kureva kuti number yedu ive smaller, comma yedu inofanirwa kumove towards the left. That's also another way of framing it. Saka comma yedu ichamove how many places? 7. So let us do that. Saka tinodai so tichati 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 todai. Panapa ndo panofanirwa kuuya chi comma. Rekanibviseka icosine aka kuti kasati confuse. Muri kuona zvaitika panapa. Saka comma yedu yamove 7 places towards the left to make the number smaller. Then tova tanonyora comma yacho. Saka panapa takuita sei? Takuchiuya panapa manje apa. Handi comma iri kumove yabva apa ikauya apa. Kureva kuti apa panenge paina 0. Saka mune chakaita chigomba ndo munoenda 0. 0 pano, 0 apo, 0 apo, 0 apo, 0 apa, then 0 inoi, like that. Saka by kumuvisa makoma, trikuona kuti our answer is going to be called 0,000000053, which is exactly answer yatawanapo. So this is very important. This is actually very important. Chakakosha kuziva kuti power ichatudza the number of decimal places achamuva comma. Then chimwe chakakosha kuziva kuti comma ari kumuva achienda kupi. You can use two reasons to reason out kuti comma ari kumuva achienda kupi. Firstly, comma anomuva achienda ku left kana number answer yatiri kutarisira kuwana iri smaller than the original. Like 5,3 tikai-multiply na 10 to the power and negative power, it's evidently going to be smaller. That's why comma yedu yamove yakatarisa ku-left. Or you can just know it as some form of trick, or put that in your mathematical toolkit kuziva kuti kana tichimultiply ne-negative power comma inenge yakatarisa ku-left. Nyamba ku-left ndo kune ma-negatives kana tiri pa-number line. Saka zvinogona kukubatsira iwe because kuno ndo kune ma-negatives ndosaka yatarisa uko, because tiri kumultiply ne-negative power. You can also use this. So tadaro manje tofanira kuziva kuti mukagomba ndo muchange muchienda 0 as a placeholder. Comma yedu zvakakosha kuziva kuti comma inomuvha ichienda papi. So that's how C it's done. Let us look at B. Takatarisa B yedu. So I hope kuti patanga chiweka you were actually writing somewhere, so you can compare answer yatinowana panapa neanswer yatawana pataita B. But B yedu tikada kuita tichishandisa our method number 2 tinenge tichiti 9,4 times 10 to the power minus 4. This is equal to tonyora 9,4 yacho. Then ichamove how many places? 4 places. But iri kumove yakatarisa kupi? Ku-left. Saka ichamove so 1, 2, 3, 4. Pechifondo pano yachi comma. Then 0 apa, 0 apo, 0 apa, 0 apa. So this is equal to 0,00094. If you recall well, muchaona kuti ndo answer yatawana pataita that long method yekudivide. So even though ndanambotaura nchiti I encourage the long method because it teaches you like the principles behind the working. But if you want to have quicker answers, you can actually learn the second method. Actually, when I teach these methods, since I teach a lot of students who come from diverse backgrounds and diverse mathematical intellectual abilities, you just have to pick your poison, as I usually say. Pick the method which works best for you. Pick the line of best fit. Saka tikaenda kuna A, 9 times 10 to the power minus 4. This is equal to this. Tongo yatoisa 9. Turn out since it's a negative power, saka comma yedu inomove so. Comma iri kupi? Because pana B na C takatoratidza kuti comma iri P. Pana patina kuratidza kuti comma iri kupi. Saka tofunga kuziva kuti comma inenge iri ku right kwe whole number. Ndokune comma. Ichamove how many places? 4 places because tine 4 as a power. Saka ichamove 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Page fondo pano yachi comma. Mumakomba umuenda chi 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is equal to 0,0009 is our answer. So ndo maitirwo azvo hama dzangu. I hope this tutorial benefited you. If you want to ask any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. If you want extra lessons or you want to talk to us, WhatsApp us on these numbers. As kana muri muZimbabwe, it's easily 071-521-3310. Thank you, take care, and have a nice day.